In 2050, new jobs aren't science fiction, they're our future reality. Humanity is evolving at an unprecedented pace, redefining the boundaries between technology and life. Old careers will fade, and entirely new professions will take their place, shaping the world ahead. Let's take a glimpse into the kinds of work people will be doing in the world of tomorrow. Virtual reality architect. In the year 2050, architects are designing entire cities within virtual reality. These individuals construct skyscrapers, parks, and digital plazas inside the metaverse, crafting cities more vivid than reality itself. With augmented reality glasses and holographic interfaces, they work at the intersection of architecture, art, and technology. Genetic wellness coach. Genetic wellness coaches analyze individuals' DNA to provide personalized health solutions. Based on genetic data, they tailor fitness plans, dietary guidelines, and stress management strategies with scientific precision. They are pioneers of a new era where biotechnology and data-driven care converge. Urban farm designer. Urban farm designers transform gray cityscapes into green sanctuaries. They create vertical gardens along skyscrapers and cultivate crops on rooftops, bringing nature back into urban life. Their work represents a quiet revolution for a more sustainable and ecological future. Space tourism guide. In the era of interplanetary travel, space tourism guides lead journeys to Mars, the Moon, and beyond. They introduce travelers to the wonders of the cosmos and ensure safe passage aboard spacecraft. These professionals are the navigators of a future where the solar system is within reach. Memory modification specialist. Have memories you'd rather forget? Memory modification specialists use cutting-edge neuroscience to selectively erase or edit traumatic and painful experiences. They are engineers of the mind, helping people heal the past and build a new future. Sensory experience designer. Sensory experience designers craft immersive realities that stimulate all 5 senses. By blending light, sound, vibration, and even scent, they create environments that evoke deep emotional responses. Their work bridges technology and human feeling, transforming experience into living art. AI ethics officer. In an era where AI makes decisions for humanity, AI ethics officers ensure those systems remain just and accountable. They monitor algorithms to prevent bias and uphold human dignity in machine decision-making. These professionals are the ethical stewards of technological progress. Digital legacy curator. Digital legacy curators preserve the digital footprints we leave behind: photos, videos, documents, and more. They archive our virtual memories and ensure they're passed on to future generations. In the digital age, they are the modern curators of collective memory. Climate restoration engineer. Climate restoration engineers are on the front lines of healing the planet. Using AI, drones, and biotechnology, they revive damaged ecosystems and rebuild sustainable environments. These scientists are the restorers of Earth's resilience. AI persona designer. Talking robots, feeling machines. AI persona designers craft the emotions and personalities that let AI connect with humans on a deeper level. They are a new breed of storytellers, weaving empathy into technology. Space mining specialist. In the space age, resources are no longer confined to Earth. Space mining specialists extract rare elements and minerals from asteroids and lunar surfaces, paving the way for a sustainable future. They are both pioneers and scientists in the cosmic frontier of mining. The year 2050 is where imagination becomes reality. Beyond the 10 jobs we've explored today, the future holds countless new professions we haven't even imagined yet. Curious about what's coming next? Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future insights. Thanks for watching.